Hey guys, I got this Acura Tsx in here today. Customer complaint is that when he hits the brakes, this car makes a sound as if this wheel is going into the body. So I did my usual checks where you basically grab the tire side to side, up and down. Normally you'd be using two hands, but I'm holding one hand with the camera. So basically I checked everything out and everything is nice and tight. However, I did a visual inspection and I noticed that we have a front bushing that seems to have been popped out of its place. So one thing to verify on this is basically grab a bar and move it. You can see that movement. Now let me try to leverage it further up. I don't know how well you guys can pick that up on camera, but as you can see, this issue's been going for a while. We have quite a bit of rust down there. And the odd thing about all this, guys, is that this customer had taken this car to about 2 other places to check it out, and every single time they just told him that everything seems to be good, charged him to look at it, and that was the end of that. So I'm glad we kind of figured this out for him, and now we'll just see if he wants to get it done or not. And as always, guys, if you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Tell your friends and family about it. I want to make my channel grow, and the only way for me to grow is by making videos that you guys enjoy, and by you guys obviously telling people about me or viewing and subscribing to my channel. If you guys have any comments or questions or anything, just leave them down in the comments box and I'll get right back with you guys. But until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. You guys have a great day.